with you through it all, winter through the fall. You just make the call, yeah, I'm in it for it all. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Amena. Good morning. It is Saturday. I really want to go swimming because we haven't been swimming in such a long time. Elias can swim, but you know, he needs to be better. So I just want to keep practicing swimming and making ourselves better, because I think everybody should know how to swim personally. Whoa. Okay, we have fins, goggles, and there should be a nose plug. Yeah, right there. We have a nose plug and 2 goggles. So yay, we have everything. Almost forgot, we have a camera for underwater. Let me bring that. I think it's in here. Oh, but I didn't charge it. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna work. Anyways, this is the camera. It literally looks like a phone. I don't think, let me see. Yeah, the battery's gonna die, no! While we're waiting for this little camera to charge, yesterday Elias bought this new drone and he went outside trying to practice flying it out on the balcony right there, and then literally it wasn't even 2 minutes and he was like, uh-oh. I said, what happened?
It was like too much windy. I swear, I tried to control but I couldn't, you know? Yeah. It was like too much windy and like pushing and like.
So this is what happened. Hello, I may have accidentally flown my drone onto your balcony. If you find it, could you please return to? Thank you. Sorry for the inconvenience. And they gave it back, right? They returned it. And Elias is happy he can play with his drone again. Way good day.
Way good day.
Go. Oh my gosh, are you okay?
Not like this, you know?
Look, no! You can't! The rain just ended our fun. That was fun, wasn't it?
Yeah.
See, I had to like beg you to come swimming, but you enjoyed it, right? Yeah. Hey guys, good morning. It's Amena. It is Sunday right now, and Elias actually just left to the barber shop. He's gonna get his hair cut. So I am going to start preparing food. We have some fresh meat that we bought from one of the Ethiopian stores here. So I think I'm gonna make kikele today. So delicious. Let's go. Okay, so this is what I have cut up so far. Over here we have onions. These are tomatoes. Right here we have garlic, ginger, 2 jalapenos, rosemary, tomatoes, and this is a bell pepper, which is not, I know you don't really use it, but Elias likes the flavor of it. Okay, so don't tell me. And then over here, this is the meat that we have, so I'm just gonna cut this up. Okay guys, so I just put everything inside of this pot, and now I'm just gonna add a little bit of water and just let this cook together. Oh yeah, and turmeric too. This is why I like this dish, because it's one of the easiest things to make. It tastes so good and Elias loves it. So yeah, I'll be back. Let's see this haircut. Okay, you got a fade going on. Looks good. The first time you ever got a fade, right?
Yeah.
I think it looks good. But I like your hair long, you already know that.
Which one? Like
yeah.
both sides?
Yeah, you won't never try it, but
I never.
it'll look nice.
So you don't like this?
I do, I'm just saying. I like it big and curly.
But I don't like it, it's too much work.
Too much work?
Yeah.
To mislead, this is all you need. Be your everything, yeah, I'll be your everything. With you through it all, winter through the fall. You just make the call, yeah, I'm in it for it all.
Oh, it's cold in here. Oh my gosh. So we're in the entertainment center right now where we live. There's nobody here. Yes. Let me give you guys a quick tour. So you have this little thing. I don't know what this is. It says Playcraft Shuffleboard. You have this little seating area. Over here you have a kitchen. Look how nice it is. There's peanut butter and jelly in here. Somebody left PB&J. I don't know. Hey, how you gonna, where's the bread at though? How you gonna leave PB&J with no bread? What's in the refrigerator? Let's see. Nothing. That's what I expected. Oh dang, up there's a horse. This place is like decorated to the T. Like, let me fix that right there. Okay, back here is what? Some pictures. Guys, this is Texas, so there's a lot of like Texas stuff. And what is in here? Is this the movie room? One of the cinema rooms? Yeah. This is one of the little cinema rooms. You can come here at any time, 24 hours, and you can actually put any movie that you want on the screen and relax like Elias, which is pretty cool. Look at this picture. I love them for putting black people on the pictures too. Let's keep going. So then you have this little area right here, this little faux fireplace. There's a million TVs in here, okay? Forget about it. Over here, look at these little cowboy boots. That's how you know you're in Texas. You have Elias's favorite game right here. What is this called? Foosball? What is it called? Foosball?
I don't know what it's called.
Beamarinya.
In AMHARIC, it's called Jotani.
Jotani?
I used to play when I was a kid.
I know you did. I feel like every African used to play this game. Yeah. This is a traditional game. Then over here, come down. There's a pool table. There's another TV, another little seating area. And you have a couple arcade classics. They don't have these anymore. These are like old school.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's kind of sad. Like when I grew up, they had these, but this is like considered old school now. These little arcade games.
Oh, it's a Mario.
Yeah, look, it's old school Mario.
It's a Mario, hey.
Yo, that's like Nintendo Mario.
Yeah.
Wow, that's so cool. And then over here you have a little card table. I think most people play poker here. Or dominoes. Oh, they have dominoes. I didn't even know that. This is a black people game. Dominoes. Yep. I know how to play dominoes. I don't know how to play poker though. Yeah, I'll teach you. And this is the second cinema room.
What is the light?
Where is the light? Oh, it's over here.
Yeah, it's weird.
Here's the lights. So this one is a little bit bigger than the other one. This is one of the entertainment centers, and the other one, I don't know if you guys can see, the other one is actually right directly that way. See that window? Yeah, that's the other entertainment center. What do you want to play? walking right now outside. We might as well show them the other entertainment center.
The view, look.
Yeah, you see this view, guys? So beautiful. So over here we have the dock house. Literally, that's what it's called because there's a boat. This is like a boat rental area and there's water right there. So this entertainment center is the dock house. Thank you. And this is the second entertainment center. You have like little areas. It kind of reminds me of like a restaurant.
Right.
Yeah, you have like these little areas set up to eat. You have a map of Dallas.
Right here.
Detailed map of Dallas. Picture of Texas. You have big old picture of a cowboy boot. Oh my God, can't talk.
Cowboy boots.
This light cowboy boot, huge picture. Bathroom is over there. Beautiful, beautiful kitchen area. So beautiful. You have a coffee maker right here, microwave on the bottom, all these coffees. Coffee, sugar, flour. I don't know what those are for. I don't know what these rocks are for.
You'll find this from the sea.
Or something. Yeah, it says right here, welcome to the lake. And over here you have a whole living room area. And you have 4 TVs. And this cool picture over here. I don't know what it is, but it looks cool. I have the Elias over here. Some more decorations. Another TV right there. Yeah, this one's smaller, but it's really, really nice. This used to be a gym when we first moved in here. And they changed it from a gym to this. That's crazy. And the new gym is, you guys saw it in our other vlog. Welcome to Texas. Drive friendly, the Texas way. I love Texas so much, in case you guys can't tell. Anyways. Horse. Over here is like a little boat rental area if you want. Me and Elias still didn't do it yet. I don't know why. We should. You can like pay for any of these boats and they'll take you boat riding along this whole lake area. It's nice. I don't know why we haven't done it yet. It's so hot out here, guys. I'm sweating. It's like Sudan weather right now, pretty much.
Right.
Yeah, 100 degrees. And this is the lake. Yeah. And it's like right in our backyard too. And it goes all the way around. It's so big, I can't even show the whole thing. This is like really random, but I really miss Ethiopia.
Really?
I think I miss it more than Elias. Like I always watch all of our old Ethiopia vlogs to just like be reminded of how it was and stuff. And like, yeah, it's been over a year. And yeah, and I'm like so sad because I want to go back.
Yeah, me too.
To Ethiopia and Sudan too. But oh, I tripped. But you know, like Ethiopia was like, I never expected to like it as much as I did. So it was like truly so nice and I miss it. I want to go back. Alrighty, we're walking back home right now. So hot right now, but to be honest, this weather reminds me of Sudan 100%. Especially by the water. It's giving me like Nile vibes. It reminds me when I would go to the Nile River in Sudan around sunset time. That's when everybody goes. And it's like that. It's like that hot weather, but then like that coolness from the water.
You sweated there.
Yeah, it reminds me of Sudan so much. I miss Africa. I just miss Africa in general. I need to go back. All right, guys, that's it for this vlog. We're gonna go ahead and end it on our balcony. We should film out here more often because it's really beautiful. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Bye.
Bye. Peace.
Peace.